Hello traders, in this video I would like to show you the danger of correction. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system on Nvidia. Nvidia been stuck in bearish correction for the last months after reaching key Alpha Fibonacci level. This level is out, Nvidia will head to the next level, and you know this months in advance. This is the reason JP Morgan traders trading Alpha Fibonacci system. This is the reason system traded by hedge fund managers and investors all over the world. But in the trading room, you witness system in the live markets on S&P mini future with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. S&P been stuck in brutal correction the entire morning. S&P been stuck in chop and pain. So if trader decides to trade this system on S&P mini future or gold or oil or Nasdaq or Dow or other future, software coming with this phenomenal tool. So why is S&P stuck in so much pain, as we discussed with my traders pre-market? Because S&P reached this level as key level this morning, prior becoming resistance, next becoming support. Price stuck in brutal pain on every single chart on S&P mini future. I can convert this chart to 5 to 3 to any chart I choose. This level decides the market for the rest of the day. Again, only pain and torture, only counter trend move. You're witnessing all of this in the live markets. So if you choose to trade counter trend, this is the only option this morning. There is nothing else. Price been here for the last 30 minutes. And now S&P mini future heading to this level. This level identifies weakness. So to every single trader who loves and loves and loves to short the market, we discussed with my traders pre-market, institutions buying the market with vengeance. If you are trading with institutions, you're avoiding the pain. You let the junk sit and dance. You are not staring at the screen for hours. You're avoiding the pain. Spectacular trades played out when price was at the bold green zone. Flawless and instant targets. In junk and pain, only crawl. Which one are you? Are you institutional trader who is riding institutional money? Or do you go for pain and torture and counter trend trade? You make a personal decision. Are you intelligent and strategic trader? Or are you choose to babysit junk and pain? So when you understand that this is institutional system, when you understand that institutions are long, you ride institutional power knowing quite well months in advance. Institutional level on S&P mini future 5674 will define markets for months and years to come. Absolutely no software on this chart. I can project software on any chart I choose. It's very mild, very powerful, very weak. Powerful lesson, but very weak and very dangerous retail profit taking. That's it. There is nothing else. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand it's all the same, this is identical dance that you see to the tick on S&P mini future on every single chart that played out on Amazon. So when you're using long-term positions and you're holding your trade for days, weeks and months, this is Amazon since the month of May. Identical level that you see in the live markets now. That's it. Only difference. You're holding position on Amazon for weeks and months. You're understanding quite well this is junky little bearish pullback. You're not exiting position on Amazon. If you're trading the system, you know that with a single glimpse. But if you choose to day trade system and you are trading with institutions, there is only one conservative option: to be on sidelines. So please make a personal decision. Which one are you? Do you like to ride institutional power, or do you like to be in pain? Choice is yours. That's decision you make on every single trade. In every single class, I teach lessons from micro to macro chart. Identical level as playing out on S&P is what played out on Euros this year. Has anyone seen good news in Europe? Euro at 104 is a sideline from the month of September being bought viciously. That's it. Absolutely no software on Euro. Software on S&P mini future. When S&P remains in pain, you like the pain, you trade against institutions. You avoid the pain. Only intelligent option this morning on S&P at this time to be on sideline. As long reached critical key target, your trading day is done. And that's how you trade institutional power. And that's how you avoid the pain. All discussions in the live classes or hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes. After 40 minutes of pain and torture, short is scrolling. Ouch. If that's how you like to trade, you're trading with retail traders. You're trading against institutions. Because when you do trade with institutions, your trade is flying to target within seconds, minutes maximum. And that's the difference between riding institutional power versus trading retail junk. Pain and crawl to the downside, finally playing out. Key level, one step at a time. Software on this chart, no software here. You make a personal decision what chart you want to trade. Choice is yours. And if you decide to trade Forex or stocks or crypto, of course you can. That's it. And that's the power of the system traded by traders all over the world since 2011. So if you choose to trade such worthless retail junk, is anyone surprised? Should not be. This is very important level now, which identifies weakness. When you trade the power, your target's entirely different than when you trade weakness, all defined by volatility with ultimate precision. So here's the Bitcoin right now testing critical key level. Bitcoin stepped in with vengeance from identical level as you're witnessing on S&P this morning, as you witnessed on Amazon, as you're witnessing absolutely no software on this chart, none is present, not on Amazon, not on Nvidia, where it shows you with the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, you can buy the bottom. Are you clear on that? And you know where the brick wall on Nvidia is. Absolutely no software on stocks, on Forex, on crypto. But if you do decide to trade futures on S&P mini future, software for NinjaTrader 8 is a phenomenal tool. Give you trade recognition software with multi-market scanners and show you where weakness is present, and show you very important moment in your trading. When you trade with institutions, your targets drastically bigger than when you're trading with retail junkie bearish pullbacks against institutions. Nothing else is possible, only this. But again, identical level on Nvidia, identical level on Amazon, identical level on Euro, identical level on Bitcoin. Choice is yours. Where do you decide to trade? You know where to buy, you know where to sell the markets with ultimate precision on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So when you come to the website, you can always request the invitation to the trading room, and you can view a movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13-year anniversary. So when you review all the information, you will see that this is proprietary system traded globally by institutional and retail traders on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, from beginner to hedge fund manager. So when you're joining us today and trade the predictive proprietary system with precise entry, stop and targets on all instruments, all platforms, or with lifetime software for Ninja 8 with multi-market scanners, you have group of private mentoring classes as an option with trading room, with video library and modules. Private mentoring savings up to $8,000. Group course savings up to $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. You do not have to come to live classes. You can view videos 24/7. So please view our students' performance from all over the world, and you will see the emails I receive over the years. Brett tried for 20 years until he came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. He accomplished this. Theo bringing his wife to the course, Georgie trading stocks, Richard retired trading options. You are trading pure price for entry and proprietary alpha Fibonacci for exits. Software is never ever a requirement. You can trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms with proprietary strategies and proprietary rules. So please do not hesitate to contact us. Simply pick up the phone and call, or send us an email 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you so much, traders, for spectacular morning. It's been my joy and honor being here with you. Thank you.